Okay, it's the morning after the 2014 blizzard. We have a lull in the weather, still not plowed out. Just barely survived the night, starvation, fighting it off, and I woke up to find this. Dun dun dun! I'm not pointing any fingers. But somebody got to our stash. I mean, we still have this thing. Like I said, I'd rather die than eat that crap. So we called together a meeting of all the survivors, and we're going to sort this thing out. I hope there's others out there that survived this storm. I hope you guys weren't with the same bunch of fools as I'm with. I see you over there, Harry into the Hendersons, Harry, wearing the sombrero. You smug bastard. Anyways, I don't know how much longer I can survive without rations. As I said before, I love you all, except for Mick. Let's hope we can all make it through this.